ChatGPT version 5 is here. Smarter, faster, and more creative than ever. This isn't just a software update. It's a milestone in the evolution of artificial intelligence. In this video, I'm going to show you the most amazing new features of ChatGPT 5. Features that bring the future to you right now. 1. Smart memory. No more starting from scratch every time. ChatGPT 5 remembers what you've told it, learns your preferences, and talks to you more intelligently with every conversation. 2. True multimodal. It doesn't just understand text, it can analyze images, videos, and even audio. From explaining a picture to writing subtitles for a video, it does it all. 3. Advanced multilingual support. This isn't just word-for-word translation, it captures meaning and tone, and can even switch between multiple languages in the same conversation. 4. More speed and power. Designed for heavy projects, it responds faster, even when your text or request is huge. 5. Unmatched creativity. ChatGPT 5 doesn't just answer questions, it creates poems, stories, business plans, or even a brand new game, all from scratch. 6. More natural conversations. Talking to it feels like chatting with a knowledgeable friend. It understands your questions better and responds more naturally than ever. 7. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to the channel and like the video so you never miss the latest AI tips and features. ChatGPT 5 doesn't just give you answers, it understands you, works with you, and transforms the way you get things done. The future of AI is here, and you can try it now.